Lesson 9.3, finding special products of polynomials. Now this is just multiplying polynomials, which you probably remember. We distributed the first x and we distributed the second. Well, we'll do that again in a second, but let's see if we can find a trick to save some time, especially certain polynomials. For example, a polynomial where we have the same thing twice. So if we multiply it out the long way, we get x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Add it down, we get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Do it again over here. I'm not going to write it out this time. 4 plus 2a, 2a plus a squared. 4 plus 4a plus a squared. So, notice any patterns. How would you describe these polynomials? We call these perfect squares, by which we mean it's the same thing twice. For example, y minus 3 would be times y minus 3. And now let's see if you can find the trick. It would be y squared minus 6x plus 9. How did I do that so fast? Well, the first one's easy. It's just y times y squared. And the last one's very easy. It's negative 3 times negative 3. It's 9. So this part here is always positive. It's always positive. And this part here is just negative 3 plus negative 3 is negative 6. So we just add the middle two and make sure you include the variable there. Should be a y. This takes some doing, and the good news is if you're not in the mood, you can just do it the old-fashioned way, but I like doing it this way. A squared, and then at the end will be plus b squared, and then it's 1b plus 1b, pardon me, 1ab plus 1ab, 2ab. X squared minus 6x plus 9. See if you can do the last two your own. Pause the recording first and then go for it. 4 minus 4a plus a squared. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So you put these two together, that's negative ab, multiply by 2, stick it in there. Put these two together, negative 2a, multiply by 2, put it in there. That's it. Now, these are the best. These are not perfect squares. These are what we call the difference of two squares. That means one's a plus, one's a minus, but otherwise they look exactly the same. Here's a fun thing that happens. We do it the old-fashioned way. Get x squared plus 3x, pardon me, minus 3x, plus 3x, minus 9. What happens to those terms in the middle? They vanish. And we end up with x squared minus 9. So now we don't even have to worry about the middle terms. If you see identical with different signs, it's going to be 2 times 2 is 4, minus, always minus, a squared. Done. Again, middle terms vanish. So the first two terms, a squared minus, last two terms, b squared. That's it. Give you one more to try. 2x plus 7, 2x minus 7. Pause the tape if you want to try it on your own. I'm going to multiply the first two to get 4x squared. Put a minus. 7 times 7 is 49. Gotta love these problems. They're so easy to do.